cleanup crew. There's Curry Auto Center.
Yeah, they're pretty much upstairs.
Yeah. The Old Frank's movie theater here.
I don't want them, I'm sorry.
Yeah, me too. This is not Frank's anymore.
What is it? Hey, how are you?
Theaters.
What's that? Good, we're just driving around checking out damage. Can you hear me? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Noah's Ark ready to go.
Can you hear me?
There's the jewelry store. Looks pretty good, Mom. Oh, they're doing a cookout! Oh! Sounds delicious.
Huh?
Probably for the moment.
Probably for me. I'm
I'm
starving.
actually starving too.
Can
She's
I be
by.
homeless then?
She's not by. Hello?
There's a long line.
Hello?
Wow, look at that.
Hello? Can you hear me? It's tile and flooring, mission remodeling, tile and flooring.
They have a great storefront. Good for them.
It's only that corner.
Still great.
Yeah.
Look at what they did with the water. That was super clever.
She's gonna keep calling me and I still can't fucking hear her. Hello? 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 Jesus. Mom, can you hear me or no? Can you hear me?
Power lines all down.
Good. I was just saying, we're driving around checking on the property and stuff like that. I drove by my dad. Can you hear me? So listen, we don't have any cell towers over here. All the cell towers are like that.
Looks like Lowe's is still not open. Crazy. Well, man, you're awfully quiet. Did you go to sleep? Oh man, look at that place.
This place is super old, I'll be honest with you.
I can't tell if it's just old or if there's so much damage.